everyone. Steph Beckett here at InfoComm 2025 here at the beautiful Sharp booth and joined by Keith Yanke. First of all, how has InfoComm 2025 been?
Steph, it's been great so far. Looking forward to finishing this final day and wrapping it all up. And it's been a great 2025 so far here for the InfoComm show.
I love
and
to
the Sharp
hear it.
booth.
I love to hear it. And this is not the first time you guys have been completely Sharp, but that's been a big focus of this booth is like the brand. So tell me a little bit about that.
Yeah, so it's been a couple years since we've been bringing the two brands together, the NEC and Sharp. Last year was the first all Sharp, but we still had the NEC brand. This is the first time where it's the Sharp brand throughout the booth.
Yeah.
So we are finishing the merger, the joint venture later this year. And with that comes the transition of the remaining products, and that's what we're showcasing here at InfoComm 2025, is that complete transition to the Sharp brand from the product side.
Absolutely. And tell me where we're standing right now. This is kind of our immersive 3 display area.
Yeah, so what we're showing here is this is our low power FE series direct view LED product. So this is a 1.9 millimeter. And what we've done here is we've broken it up into 3 different wall pieces. This first one here in back of us is 8 tall by 7 wide. And then the center section is 8 tall by 5 wide. And then the section to my left on the right-hand side for the viewers is 8 tall by 4 wide. So it's a total of 8 tall by 16 wide, creating a very high-resolution display. And we've got one piece of content that is going across the 3 different sections, providing that immersive, artistic-looking piece of content and getting our brand message across, which is the, here is now.
Yes, great for a corporate lobby, hotel lobby, museum, I'm guessing. All of those like really artistic installs.
Correct. And just showing the capability, the flexibility of the direct view LED, how we can, with the smaller module sizes, the 27-inch module size, how we can pretty much create any sort of surface and then display on those surfaces.
Absolutely. So what do we have else, or the rest of the DV LEDs?
Yeah,
we have a whole other section, right?
Yes, so of course, DV LED is a growing segment in the display business.
Absolutely.
And so what we've got here is a few other different direct view LED solutions that we're showcasing in the booth. These 2 areas are really products or types of direct view LED that we're looking at bringing out into the future, getting the feedback here to determine exactly what the customers are looking for, and then make sure that we're designing the right product when we do finally go into mass production and giving the customers exactly what they need. So this first wall here actually, so typically our module size for direct view LED is 27-inch diagonal. Pretty close to that. This is a little bit different. This is targeting the LCD ultra narrow bezel type of replacement with direct view LED. This is a 54-inch diagonal module, 1.2 millimeter, and what we've created here is a 1 wide by 4 tall. So creating this nice portrait aspect ratio, nice portrait orientation. And then showing, of course, what's on here now is just some nice imagery, but can also showcase how this can be used in signage, right? So for transportation type applications along with advertising.
How DV LED has advanced even in the past 3 years has been incredible to see. Because even 3 years ago, we weren't seeing it replacing LCD like we are now.
Correct. Yeah, with the flexibility of LED, the longevity of the technology as far as how long it lasts, and now with lower power consumption, lower pricing, it's opening it up to a lot more applications and
including
opportunities.
Digital signage and
Correct.
Well, yes, and I love this Orlando wayfinding, perfect for the airport, trains, it's great.
Yes, it is perfect. So that's what we're trying to get across here.
Amazing.
So again, showing a different way direct view LED can be used to replace existing technology easier. And then here really quick is just it's an outdoor COB product. Again, in that 27-inch cabinet. So providing high brightness, finer pixel pitch, in an outdoor solution. So again, from a signage standpoint, looking at it, for those outdoor higher ambient light conditions.
Yep, a little more ruggedized.
More ruggedized, correct.
Yes. Is it IP rated?
Yeah, it is IP rated. It's still determined on what that final IP rating will be.
Okay.
That's what we're using this show to get that feedback and figure out exactly what customers are going to need.
Absolutely. And then we have the all-in-one around this corner, correct? Did you want to do that one next?
Yeah, so this is an area where we've seen a lot of growth in the display business is around direct view LED.
Absolutely.
And that easier to assemble, easier to configure type of solution. So what we've done is we've created two different sizes. What we're looking at here is the 138 inch.
Yep.
We also have a 165 inch. Both of those sizes are full HD. So this is the 1.9 or 1.5 millimeter pitch, and then the larger size is the 1.9. And what we've done is we've essentially taken our typical LFD, like our ME series, our PN ME series, LFD or large format displays, non-interactive displays, and we've taken that beyond the 98 inch maximum size we have in that, and we've created and incorporated the same connectivity, the same functionality into direct view LED, allowing those customers that want to use 43 inch all the way up to 100 or above 100 inches, we're giving them that capability now with direct view LED. So this is a recently launched product. A lot of excitement around this space and for this new Sharp direct view LED all-in-one.
Tell me about application types for this.
Yeah, so primarily the application is going to be that meeting room. That boardroom, larger corporate room, also higher education could use this, again, because of the capabilities, because of the connectivity. It's got wireless casting built into it. It's got audio capabilities built into it. So it really lends well for that, put it in a meeting room and you've got not only the video, but the audio and the source connectivity.
Our readers even voted this as a great digital signage solution, which I think kind of is a testament to how we're seeing meeting room technology being utilized as digital signage in corporate communication when it's not being used as a meeting room display.
Correct, and that's the great part of direct view LED is it lends well across many different applications and many different verticals.
Absolutely. So it's beautiful to look at in person. So yeah, love it. What's next?
Perfect. So now we're going to go over, so sustainability is another important message for Sharp, especially from a global standpoint. And it's something that we're always looking to improve as time goes on for all of our display products. But for this specific area of the booth, we're highlighting our Epaper technology and specifically color.
Full color.
Full color Epaper technology.
Which you guys are one of the only companies that does full color. Usually you can get black or red. So
correct, yes. Yes, and so we are showing the two sizes that we have had out now for over a year, which is the 13 and the 25 inch, but we are showcasing here for the first time an A2 size, so looking more towards what this technology is really trying to replace is the paper signage, and paper posters, exactly, yes.
And this uses very little to no energy to keep out. There's not really much backlight to it, And is this battery powered?
Right now, we're just showing we've got no battery to it, no power to it.
Very cool.
But there is the capability of, on the two larger sizes that we have here, just having a portable battery attached to the back of it. And that allows it to be able to change that content when necessary without having to have a power source right there where it will be installed.
Absolutely, which is great because I do think that another barrier to embracing Epaper is some different ones, it's very hard to change the content. So seeing that become easier and easier, I think is going to break down that barrier for sure.
Correct, yes. Definitely will. So we're excited to, again, showcase that we're looking at, taking this technology and advancing it into the future and bringing in larger sizes. So this A2 size is slightly bigger than the 25-inch standard 16 by 9 format, but as time goes on, you'll see larger screen sizes and different solutions from Sharp in this Epaper technology.
I'm excited to check it out when it comes out.
Excellent.
What's next?
All right, so now we're going to start to go into more of our typical corporate meeting room, maybe even higher education type of solutions. So here on the lower section of this wall, we are highlighting our different series of larger screen products. So we've got our PN E series, and this is a 75-inch display.
Very nice.
This will be shipping later this summer.
Okay.
So this will replace our NEC E 8th generation series. So this will be the 9th generation. We've got the PN ME, which is the center display here.
Very nice.
And this is an 86-inch size. And then on the far right side here is our M98.
Very
so
cool.
This is the largest single display in the LCD format that we have. And what we're showcasing with all three of these displays is the USB-C capability.
Yeah, bring your own meeting.
Bring your own meeting, exactly.
So one single cable, it looks like. Very easy for someone to come in, plug it in, it connects. Great.
Yes, and we also have, not only can we, of course, take the source from a laptop easily with one cable USB-C. We also have, depending on the model, we have different charging capabilities.
Perfect.
As well as peripheral capabilities through that USB-C cable. So essentially you can, in fact, on the center one here, we are showing it with a USB camera. So connected directly into the display, we have that capability of making that meeting room solution much easier to set up, configure, and use.
Because most people who are walking in and joining that meeting room, they are not technologists.
Correct. That is the challenge with every installation or application.
Absolutely.
Is making sure that it's easy to use.
Very cool. And we have our large venue projection above. So the projectors here and here.
Yes.
Which two models are these?
Yeah, so here we're showcasing two of our brighter installation projectors, and these are, again, Sharp branded. So we're doing that transition this year from the NEC to the Sharp brand. This is one of them is our A series, which is replacing our NPPA series projectors that customers, our channel partners, end users are familiar with now. And then the other one is our X series projectors, and that series is 4K resolution. So what we're showing here is two different resolutions. We've got a wide UXGA and then a 4K resolution with the X series. So again, showing the capabilities that projection is still a viable solution, depending on the application, depending on the room, and it does still provide the best price per diagonal inch.
And always I hate every year someone asks me if I think projection is dying, and every year I'm like, no. Because people are always going to need a better price by diagonal. There are always going to be places where projection just is a better option. Education, they're always going to use projection.
Correct, yes, and that's why Sharp is dedicated, committed to this projector space and making sure that our customers have projection solutions moving forward.
Absolutely. So we're coming over here to our Aquos section. Did I say that right?
That is correct,
All right.
Our Aquos board series. So we do have, like every other display category or technology within the Sharp lineup, our Aquos board series has like a good, better, best with it as well.
Which I've seen a lot more of on the show floor this year. A lot of good, better, best options for just every price point, which is great.
Exactly, because not all customers need the same thing, right, from a product, right? They have different demands, different needs, and even with interactive and what Sharp has done with the Aquos, we've provided customers with different steps of categories of products, again, depending and meeting their needs. With this show, last month in May, Sharp launched our PN-LM series,
Yes.
which is it's really targeted for two things. It's targeted for in the meeting room or education space, more of that huddle room, smaller screen size. So
Yes.
we only are offering this product in 55-inch, which we're seeing here. And then we do have a smaller version, the 43-inch.
Yes. Do you know how many touch points?
This has multiple touch points, so we can do, I think, at least, I think it's 20 touch points with this product. So, again, for this small of a product, it's more than enough for multiple users to be able to interact with the display at the same time.
But for this one, you're not going to need, there's no room for 70 people to be over here. So 20, I think, is perfect.
Exactly, yeah. And then the other nice part or aspect of this series of product is with the sizes, with the price point, with the technology that we've put into it, it's perfect for signage. It's perfect for the wayfinding type of applications, and that's what we're actually showing
over
here
in the
on the
kiosk.
43-inch. Yeah, in the Peerless kiosk is we've got the 43-inch again built into this kiosk, and we've got the touch capability. We've actually partnered with 22 Miles to create the content for the show, for this demo, just to, again, show that signage capability from the product, that it's, just, again, can be used not only for that small huddle room, but we've got it built for that signage
too. That's fantastic. All right. Anything? I think we wanted to go to the rest of the digital signage portfolio. Speaking of signage.
So that's where we're going to close is around, the core of our business is around the large format displays and the different offerings that we provide. We briefly talked earlier about the larger screen sizes, but in this area we're showing the different solutions that we have within our signage display portfolio. So we're showing typical menu board signage. One thing to note here is what's different is on the right-hand side, that is our 43-inch PNE. So that will be our PNE 439. And customers that are currently using our E-Series will quickly notice, well, the current E-Series doesn't go in portrait mode. Well, with this next generation product, we're able to do portrait mode with that product, making it perfect for not only the typical landscape orientation applications, but now we've got the flexibility of using it in portrait.
Yes. And then this one is just the full signage portfolio.
Correct, yeah. So this is showcasing and highlighting the different series of signage displays that we have. So starting with the PN E, then the PNME, the PNM, and then finishing off with the PNP series, which is the highest brightness, best color fidelity, all the input connectivity, basically all the bells and whistles for those applications that require.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much, Keith. I appreciate you taking me around the Sharp booth and telling me in depth about all of your products.
Yeah, thanks, Steph, for stepping by. And been a pleasure to work with rAVe and do the booth tour again at InfoComm 2025.
Yeah, last question I have for you, though, is where can people find more information on Sharp or any of the products that we talked about today?
Yeah, so you can find information on all the products that we're showing here in the booth at sharpusa.com.
Perfect. SharpUSA.com. And don't forget, on our site as well, you can go to ravepubs.com/InfoComm for all your InfoComm 2025 coverage. Again, I'm Steph Beckett, and we'll see you next time. Bye.